In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a vertical video project in OpenShot. If you create content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, starting your project in a vertical format saves time and prevents awkward cropping later. Let's get you set up the right way from the start. First, launch OpenShot on your computer. When the editor opens, take a quick look at the top left area of the window. You'll see the main menu and toolbar. We're going to change the project profile, which controls the video's resolution, aspect ratio, and frame rate. Look for the option labeled Choose Profile near the top left. Click it to open the profile selection window. Inside this window, you'll see a list of presets. Find the category for vertical video. This is where all the 9:16 options live. Pick the vertical format that matches your needs. For most creators, 1080 by 1920 at 30 frames per second is a safe, high-quality choice that works well across social platforms. If your content has a lot of motion or you prefer extra smoothness, you can pick a 60 frames per second variant, as long as your footage was recorded at that rate. If you're working on lighter projects or need smaller file sizes, 720 by 1280 may be enough. And if your camera supports it and you want maximum detail, there are 4K vertical presets too. Once you select your vertical preset, click OK to apply it. OpenShot will switch your project to a tall, vertical canvas automatically. You'll notice the preview window now matches a phone-friendly 9:16 shape. This change sets the foundation for your entire project, so everything you add and export will follow the vertical format you chose. A quick tip: it's best to pick your profile before you start editing or importing media. That way your clips, titles, and effects will align correctly from the beginning. If you do bring in horizontal footage, expect to reframe it creatively within the vertical space so your subject stays centered. Also, keep an eye on the frame rate you chose. Matching it with your source footage helps maintain smooth motion. And that's it. By opening OpenShot, choosing the vertical video profile that fits your project, and confirming with OK, you've set your timeline and preview to the correct format. You're now ready to edit confidently for phone-first platforms without fighting aspect ratios later. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your vertical videos in OpenShot.